The way we interact with computers is changing. It's becoming a lot more human. But no approach has made a more significant impact than deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses deep neural networks that imitate how our brains think.
Let's say that I had fruit. Just like, a third grader is going to look at and understand the difference between an apple, a peach, and an orange. You have to have features like color, shape, and texture. And you give the deep learning algorithm these features or data. And then through deep learning and progressive learning, it's actually able to determine what kind of fruit it is.
Deep learning sets up basic parameters about the data and trains the computer to learn on its own. It recognizes patterns using many layers of processing.
Deep learning is focused on deep neural networks because it has the ability through graph analysis and computer vision to understand and define relationships amongst data that are not easily recognizable through traditional machine learning techniques.
Well, deep learning is popular. I think it saves people a lot of time because if you apply the traditional machine learning models to this unstructured data, such as images and text, you need to manually extract a lot of features from those data.
If you think that sounds like a lot of work, it is. Until GPUs, or graphical processing units, came on the scene, neural networks were declared impractical. A single GPU can have thousands of cores, while a typical CPU has no more than 16. So it seems like deep learning thrives on lots and lots of data, which is cool, but it also has its quirks. A growing challenge is interpretability.
We want to understand why that patient has cancer. We want to understand why that person was denied credit, okay? And that's only fair. So we want these models to have some level of interpretability. Now, the problem is that these models have gazillions of these parameters and combinations of the data.
So you need to have a deep industry content, plus also a deep computer science background to be able to make any type of actionable insights out of the analysis.
I'm bullish that we can, through deep learning, solve some of these very difficult problems like our diseases. I think that area is going to really ramp up and where we'll see a lot of benefit, tons of benefit.
Deep neural networks, they're at the heart of this artificial intelligence revolution we're going through right now, can be applied in many, many, many spaces. Natural language generation, natural language interaction, computer vision, speech to text. They can do this exceedingly well. And that is really revolutionary.